Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I will be journaling in my NIV Study the Word Bible. And if you would like to see my unboxing of this, it's a really fun Bible that I just started using for this year. And today I will be in the book of Proverbs 31, verse 28, where it says, "Her children arise and call her blessed, her husband also, and he praises her." So this proverb is an epilogue of talking about a wife of noble character, and it is from the sayings of King Lemuel. And he's just praising his mother and everything that she taught him. And so since this is Mother's Day week, happy Mother's Day to all of you who are mothers. I wanted to do a Mother's Day entry, and I found this really pretty little coloring page, and it was from blossomsoflife.com. I saw it on Pinterest. I will put the link for it down below. But I'm going to use this coloring sheet. I'm going to trace it into my Bible, and then I'm going to use my Crayola Twistables, the colored pencils, to color it, and then probably go in with one of my black markers to highlight everything. But this is just an easy way, if you are not an artist, that you can do something artistic in your Bible entry. So this one here says, "Her children will call her blessed." So I'm just going to take my pencil and trace. I'm actually going to go to the page before it because there's more room, and then I won't be covering up the words in the Bible. So that's what I'm going to do. Let's get this stuff cleared off and we will get started. here's my final journal entry. I think it turned out really pretty. For the background, I decided to go ahead and add a subtle blue stripe. On the original color page, there were stripes that had these dots, but I decided I didn't want to use my black line to outline the stripes because then it would just make it look really busy, and I wanted the flower pot and the flower to stand up off the page. Also, it wouldn't have made sense because I didn't want to draw the lines where the writing was on the page. So I left that just the blue stripe. I colored the pot, and then I went back in with my black line to pop it off the page some more. And then I went over the lettering, and it was a little bit difficult. I tried to add the dimension, like the faux calligraphy part of it in there, and almost lost the lettering on it, but you can still tell what it says. So I think it turned out pretty good. So I hope you liked this journal entry. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.